Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. I am just in the mood of doing an outfit of the day. Usually, this is not the right sunshine. I mean, this time around noon time, it's very hard to capture some good image. But I was thinking, how about try to see how it works? Although setting sun and rising sun makes better and more harmonious light, but time has its own time. Okay, let's do an outfit of the day. Okay, here we are. Let's take a look. I think we can see. And this pants is relatively very relaxed. It's a pyjama pants. Now I wear only comfortable things. So with a kind of belt, make it more comfortable. And if you tie a knot, try to not tie it right in the middle. Make it a little bit asymmetric will be better. And I always have my little bag with me, as always. And that is it. It's just very, very comfortable. Oh, I'm so comfortable. So you go to work like this. And the color, a little bit blue. I cannot find one of my purple earrings. So blue kind of go well with this. The yellow is a little bit out of color, but not the end of the world. So comfortable, always flat shoes. I think you got enough of me, right? Okay, I will say bye-bye to you. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Goodbye, bye.